I
down?
pick? Yeah, do single.
Sure.
Then, I don't know, you pick the next one, whatever.
You got the big arms, you can lead the workout.
Yeah.
I'm trying to walk out of here with these.
Yeah. Do single, just warm up.
Right.
It's usually, I don't really consider this, it's just warm up, that's it. And again, it's just about freaking getting that elbow lined up. The first one's not even about weight, you know?
Let's get some blood in there.
Yeah. Arms alone, or you combine them?
I would train alone.
Yeah. Every once in a while, if I do a second workout, I might do it with chest. I do bicep, and then shoulders with tricep. But I just don't do a full workout. I do maybe like just 1 or 2 exercises.
Yeah. I mean, your arms are already huge.
Yeah.
So
That's it. Just quick, stimulated. That's it. Move on. Because if I do 2 hard workouts, I won't recover in time.
Yeah.
Let's do the second one. Do some overhead. That way get the upper head more.
Like the short head here?
No, your short head is strong, you're out there. Just getting up here so you get more of that freaking sweep, you know?
For sure, yeah.
Yeah.
I've never been to the gym, so.
I want to see what they have. Just see.
Do the walk around?
Yeah, let me just see what they have. I mean, probably we'll just keep it simple.
Yeah.
Use compound, but worst tricep machine right there, bro. No, we're gonna stay conventional. That's it, man. Too many machines. You're too young to need machines, man.
I'm feeling old already.
Oh, man, come on. You just got started.
Usually go all tricep, then bicep?
Yeah. I start with tricep first. Because if you start with bicep, it'll kind of restrict your extension of the tricep.
Keeps it tight out there, yeah.
Yeah, you won't be able to extend because your bicep will kind of be
in the
way. Yeah, so
especially if you got a big pump, you can't.
Exactly. So I'm gonna do a push down for mass and then just overhead. All right.
For sure.
Short movement, more of a power movement. I don't think the stack is heavy enough for how far we want to go, but
lean right over it?
Yeah, right over it. Keep your tricep outward. Yeah, you're gonna start feeling it inside more too. Cables are good, especially, people have issues with the elbows. A lot of damage is done already with skull crushers, overhead extensions.
Oh yeah.
But
a little less stress on the joint.
A lot less stress on the joints. But we still gotta go with some free weight, so we gotta decide which one we'll do free weight. I'm telling you, we got these light stacks these days, man. Yeah, we keep reps on the 15, so 15, 12, next one 10. That's 12 now. Yeah, I just want to add some floating weights. Maybe some extra.
You need those pin load plates.
Man, you got those extra floating weights around.
Upset.
Oh, you got a lucky one. Again, do I have an injury? No. This is just to prevent me from getting any more injuries, because everybody knows I had my fair share.
Would you have used those when you were younger, if you'd known, or?
Had I known, yeah, I would have used them. Just couldn't afford them,
True.
And when you're young, you really don't, feel like you need any protections.
No. Feel invincible.
That's why I had a kid at 19, you know?
There you go.
That's another story. Automatically, people want their arms out, but we already did that with the other one. This one is slightly in,
Keep the elbows more
but
in.
not forcing them in either. You gotta have sort of natural. Yeah. So now we're hitting the inner tricep with these. Yeah, right there, that angle. See it going right here on the massive part. That's what is gonna create that sweep, that drop. Yeah, man. See the striations already coming out.
Trying to keep up with you.
We're gonna superset the last 2 cables alone.
All right.
We stick to these because we don't want to take away from lifting heavy on the mass movement.
This is one of the heavier movements?
Yeah. This is a mass movement, and I generally don't like to superset mass movements.
Got it. You just trained arms too, eh?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
The arms Friday. I give myself usually four days.
Yeah.
I'm like still sore. The soreness hit me yesterday. I'm like, it's all right.
It's okay.
All right.
Yep.
130s was back in the days.
Not today.
No, did I have to do 130s? No. But it was that thing where you like I always say, I think weights make you in the gym, and it's that's the tool you need.
Everyone's always gonna have that mentality.
Always. How much can you lift? How much do you squat?
You gotta prove yourself, get your status, and then you go back down and weight. You know?
Yeah, that's it, man.
What are you looking for?
Doing 105.
105?
So you can't find a 105. Usually rule of thumb is go to the higher one, you know, and on these, so. Oh shit, yeah, baby.
Come on. Yep.
All right. Oh, mother. All right, got it. Yep. Always go up, not down when you can't find your weight. All right, cables.
You heard it here first. So you just wear the elbow sleeves when you're doing free weights?
Yeah,
Mainly?
free weight usually. Or anything heavier that's like to keep the heat, the elbow, anything joints, you know.
Warm and tight.
Yeah. I mean, it's like overuse of the belt too. You put on your belt. People have it from the beginning of the workout towards the end, and it starts weakening the lower back.
Yeah.
They think it's gonna make them stronger.
Get used to it.
Yeah, they get used to it, but when you take it off, it's kind of like that garter these girls wear. They actually think they're gonna have a smaller waist,
Yeah.
but then they start getting funny looking abs because they never contract their muscle, their ab muscle.
It's always relying on the belt instead of their own muscle.
Exactly, same difference, that's all. So finish these last supersetting. Perfect. Triceps parallel, right to the floor. Elbows are moving. Only part that's moving right here, forearm. That's it. This is where you get that shape right there, see? Look at that. Yeah. No swinging, it's all muscle work. That's it.
Yeah, I keep training with Victor. No one's gonna keep making fun of me for my small arms anymore. This guy's gonna be walking around with arms like this in a few weeks.
You know when you get that good arm workout, you get that stiffness.
Yeah.
Start getting those cramps later.
You start off feeling light, then it just hits you.
Yeah.
The fatigue hits.
It's the repercussions of the other one.
Yeah.
I mean, no people usually see drops and all that. There's a time for that. I did drops in my last workout, not necessarily to do them every single workout.
Yeah.
It's like getting ready for a show, you know?
Use it when you need it.
Yeah, when you get ready for a show, then you start doing a lot of the isolation, supersets and all that. You start doing it now, come showtime, you're burned out already.
For sure, yeah.
Sometimes I lie to myself. I say 8 reps, but if you got more, why not, right?
Exactly. Especially on these last few sets. Use what you got.
See, when it's heavier, you got a leverage issue. You can either go low, or I could put my hand right behind them. Come on, come on. Ah! Do that one late. Still move your arm, right?
Now, yeah.
See how they just hang in the back? You're loose enough to still do bicep.
For sure.
Imagine having that same tightness in the front.
This is just flopping out, yeah.
Yeah,
my arm could be stuck like this.
Yeah, you'll be like this, and then now you have to extend them, which
I've never even thought of that.
Why make your job harder, you know? All right, do a little warm up here for the bot. Good. So I want to determine a workout that'll benefit you. I'm not gonna do something that's gonna benefit me, you know, because I already know what I always do. So